Hello, I am with Seed System Solutions, and in this video, I will cover the process of creating work orders from inventory. If you do not see any of the options referenced in this video, please contact an admin user within your organization for assistance. First, from your main menu, you're going to navigate to the inventory screen. From here, you're going to want to do a filter for your inventory. You can open the filter, just search for any quantity on hand, or narrow your search down to a smaller subset. Then click Apply to apply the filter. Within inventory, there are a few options for creating work orders. The first option is using this hamburger or the gear icon next to the inventory line and selecting Create Work Order. You will see a drop-down list of any work order types that you have set up. Additional work order types can be set up under Advanced Settings in System Settings. You can select your type, and then what will happen is it will create a new work order and open up the take side. It is going to set the full available quantity from that work order or from that inventory line as the quantity on the work order. You can adjust that and only pull a partial quantity if you would like. If it is a warehouse transfer type work order, where the take and is copied to the make, you do need to set a new location. Once your new location is set, then you are going to see the Save and Close or Save and New option. Save and Close will close the popover. Save and New will refresh the popover with no information. From here, it's going to create either your take line or your take and make, depending on the type of work order you are creating. And to complete that work order, you can complete it like normal from the hamburger menu, choosing Complete Work Order and assigning the completion date. To leave the work order, you're just going to press the back logo, and it will return you to your inventory screen. Another option with creating a work order is going to be from the gear icon to add this inventory line to an existing work order. So from the gear icon, you will open it, you will select the magnifying glass. This will bring up a screen that displays all of your open work orders that you currently have, the date from the work order, the type of the work order, and any notes. You would select the work order that you wish to add this line to. And just like in creating the new work order, it is going to set your quantity available, not your quantity on hand, but the quantity available as your quantity for that work order. You can make any adjustments necessary and set your location if necessary, and it will create that new work order line for you. The next options that you have in creating work orders will create them in mass. From here, you would open your hamburger menu and you will see two options. One is Dump All Found and one is Transfer All Found. The Dump All Found work order will take your found set on the screen, so whatever you filtered for, it will take all of your inventory lines, and it is going to create a discard work order that will complete automatically, and it is going to set all of the available inventory quantities for all of the lines on this work or on displaying an inventory on that work order. So again, it's going to create a discard work order with the quantity set matching your available quantity, and it will complete as of today's date. The next option is the Transfer All Found. This is going to create a work order, a warehouse transfer work order that will take your available quantity as the make. It will set it to whichever location you select as your new location. And if all of this is going to move into the same bin location, you can set your bin location here as well. If it will move to different bin locations, we do not recommend setting it here. Then when you select transfer, it is going to create a warehouse transfer work order with, again, all of your available quantities on both the take and the make side. Your take side will pull this current location and bin location, and your make side is going to pull your new location that you have set. Depending on the number of lines you have, this process may take a little bit of time to process through. This work order will not auto-complete, and you do have the ability to make any changes necessary on this work order or add bin locations on the work order itself. Now that your work order has created, you can adjust your bin locations on this make side by clicking into the box under the warehouse location field. Once you've made any changes, you can complete this work order, again by completing the work order and leaving the work order by using the back logo back to your inventory screen. That is how you create work orders from the inventory screen. If you have any questions about Seed System Solutions, please reference our other training videos. Email us at grow@seedsystem.co or register for one of our monthly Seed System Support Zoom meetings.